Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Governor Monday Okpebholo gives timeline for rebuilding abandoned schools in Edo State. Tells the people, I am here to serve you. For 8 years, Obaseki allowed, some of the schools to be, to just fade away, according to him. He said Obaseki was telling everybody he's doing Edo best, doing here and there. Said, but look at what Obaseki did. That some schools have rather, depleted and not looking very, well put together, where they should have been better managed. Obaseki totally, completely abandoned these schools. He said, but he is going to fix them. He's working for the people of Edo State. Here we are as we begin to see some of these things, happening. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Governor Monday Okpebholo gives timeline for rebuilding abandoned schools in Edo State. Says Obaseki left the people hanging. Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo has given a timeline within which he will rebuild the abandoned Ebo Semi-Secondary School in Okpebholo, Ovie Northeast local government area of the state. According to a statement issued on Monday by his chief press secretary, Fred Itoha, the construction of the school was abandoned by the administration of Governor Godwin Obaseki, who was apparently angry by the reports given by the All Progressive Congress and Governor Monday during the 21st September 2024 governorship election in the state. The governor, who visited the school on Monday as he promised during his campaign, said his administration will restore hope to the community. These are the people who have supported me and have been there for me. So I will support them, and everything I've promised in the election will be done. He promised that the students would return to school and continue with their learning, as his administration will rebuild the school in 2 months. The governor said his administration will embark on a practical style of governance, and it will be experienced in Okpebholo Secondary School in the next 2 months. According to Governor Okpebholo, you can remember when we came to this particular school during our campaign, and I thought the former governor would have done justice to this school when the issue went viral about the school on the media. But no, Obaseki was more talk and never work done. Today I'm here after my inauguration as governor. As promised, I am here to surprise the people that it was not just talk, but now it's time to work. And within 2 months, this school will be fixed back, completed. My reason for coming here today is to bring back hope to the school and rebuild the school so that our children can go back to school and continue their learning. For me, this is not acceptable. The state of the school is deplorable. As we have to go ahead to renovate this school and rebuild it, we will be here again in the next 2 months, and you will see the state of the school. When we talk about Edo Best, we have to really talk about Edo Best, not just words, but not in just words and form. We are coming with a real Edo Best. It's not the one they said. Our style of governance is practical. We told our people during the campaign that we are going to bring practical governance tied to our people. What you see here today is practical governance. We will provide security, quality education, and potable water for the people. And this is not just words. So that is the governor of Edo State. He has started in earnest, and he wants to fulfill his promise. And he has started it, and we can all see. So my people, it is what it is. It is what it is. And everybody can see that the governor is really trying his hardest best possible to impress the people, to ensure that he brings, practical terms of leadership to the people. He wants to do everything he can, and that's why one of the first things is to make sure that the people understand him. They know that he is not just saying words, And what he's saying right now is that he wants to bring practical governance. That very school is one of the schools that went viral. If you can remember that the school was in a deplorable state. Students are not able to go to school and all that. And according to him, Obaseki did not still fix the school. And he felt that Obaseki should have done it to prove a point that he was actually doing what we call Edo Best. But according to him, Obaseki did nothing. So this is just days after his inauguration. He has come back to the very school because the school was one of the points where he campaigned. He has come to the school to say, you know what, let's fix it. And has given a timeline saying within 2 months, this place will be fixed. And he has started it already. He said within 2 months, we will also come back here again to inaugurate the school and to say, it's all done and dusted and this is what it is. So everybody is practically waiting, to see, the completion of the school because, talking about it is one, finishing it is another. So here we are watching the governor, fulfill his promise to the people. That's what we are experiencing currently right now. He said Obaseki also came with the PDP candidate, but he did not really change anything. He thought that Obaseki would have done something just to make the people see that he's going to be, his party was going to be a great, governance, to bring governance to the people. So what Obaseki did nothing, so that's what it is at the moment, and everybody can watch and see. Well, my people, it is what it is, and eventually we will all really know those who are for the people and those who really, mean well for the people. So this is what it is, and this is why we cannot afford to just sit down there and be quiet and, just allow time to waste by. Whenever you have an opportunity, no matter no matter the form of group that you are in, just a little opportunity, you must do something worthwhile to support, to ensure that the people are protected, and you bring your leadership in so much a way that at the end of the day, you are in a better place. So it is what it is, and everybody can see how things are really turning and, what we can do differently in order to bring, the nation to a better place. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe, click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. God bless, have a fantastic and a lovely day. And from us is bye for now. Bye-bye.